All of a sudden, I have a problem right here. It's all loose, nothing happens. Okay, it's just 3 screws, or 4 screws, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this doesn't seem to want to turn, so let me see if I can fix that. That's the deadbolt. Okay, this piece was down, laying in there. I was wondering why my deadbolt wasn't working, but this was loose. So that piece goes there. This piece goes here. I couldn't figure that out at first because all these are screw holes. And then that makes that go out. And this little bar is what was making my deadbolt not work.